Manresa bread in Los Altos, California. I lived in France many years ago, and in every small bakery they always made a really beautiful quiche. So I kind of fell in love with that French style that's just super rich, super custardy and creamy. We tend to keep the butter very, very large. You may still have a couple large pieces, and that's actually going to be just fine. We want those big butter chunks in order to create a really flaky crust. The definition of a great quiche is something that's really silky and velvety, and just a little bit of flour pretty much ensures that you're going to end up with that. The addition of a ripe cheese to the custard ends up giving you a one-dish meal that's totally party ready when paired with a really great bottle of wine. Take your really soft cheese, cover the bottom of the quiche shell completely with the cheese before you pour your custard on top. Baking the quiche at 300 degrees for about an hour will ensure a really beautiful quiche with the velvety, silky texture that you were looking for.